Kiskisan showdown ni Mark Pingris versus JR Kinyahan, ayaw magpatalo ng dalawang PBA legends. Ayaw magmintes ni Kinyahan, ginawang home crowd ang binyan. Napatalon si Kume, bilib na bilib si Hontiveros at hindi makapaniwala si Canaleta, Game of the Year. Pinasakay ni Sakuragi si Baby Shaq, pinasabitan naman ni Kinyahan si Pingris. Halos mauwi na to sa suntukan. Luka Doncic daw ng binyan, Ronnie Alonte may binitbit. Nagkagulo ang crowd, approve kay Loisa. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Warren Bonifacio into their lineup.
Well, no game is going to be easy, but Ronnie Alonte squeezing through traffic. What a move galing kay Ronnie. Kasi tira daw eh. Si Mac ba yung sinasabihan niya na itira niya na?
Alio gets to the paint, gets it back after the miss by Diong, recovers. Kinyahan, elbow jumper, pretty much automato. Back to Alio in transition, kick out pass, Manzo. June Manzo slithers it. Laban kay Peña Redondo. Puts it up and puts it in. One-on-one.
One-on-one din. Kasi di rin sila makalaro ng 5-on-5 eh.
Pinoy Saura.
In the last few games, hirap sila maka-best pag tumatakbo in transition.
8-0 run to begin the quarter for Binyan.
Pag Binyan na more of a defensive-minded team.
Pingris, hook shot, gets the friendly bounce. Binyahan, attacking the closeout of Mark Pingris. And gets go. They go down low at the post. Subido lines it up for free. That's his another steal by Mac Talio. Fast break attempt. Talio, no foul. Desiderio there for the cleanup. Free. Subido. Long 3-point shot.
Roger Roccaforma, you need help. That time, Maestre makes the pay, but Kuya JR ended up with Abra.
This is John Hamon.
That's because of Renzo Salinas hot shooting here in the second quarter.
Getting to his Tony Alonte and Carlo Lastimosa. The 5 on the floor for Binyan. Carlo Lastimosa floats in the
Attack to the cup. Ganda ng galaw na yan para kay Carlo. Batang-bata.
ganda naman ng pasa doon. Hernandez. Bido. Pull up jumper is Bunny.
Able to step into that jumper that he's so comfortable taking.
Kinyahan. Meneses. Kinyahan. At the elbow again as transition. Meneses making quite an impact. The pass to Brian Cebu playing inspired basketball. Lead down to 3, 52-49. Peña Redondo. Pasa ulit. Oh, Joseph Peña Redondo. Right now, Cebu playing without a natural point guard, but nonetheless, Jeros. Another badly executed pass. And Roca Curva is free on the other side. Maestre swing pass. Roca Curva fires a free. It's good.
Have not utilized Boom Boom Campos in this game.
Oh,
what a finish.
Mark Pingris. Bagsak silang dalawa ni Mactalio. Pamboy. Kick out. Lastimosa. 3-point shot. The rebound off that air ball. Hamon steps into a free. Another shot block. Roca Curva attacks. Play nga lang yung free throw. Kinyahan. Quick catch and shoot. Drills it in. Talio pushing it. Kinyahan. Dapat kay Mark Pingris. Puts it in. Counted plus a foul.
A foul. May chance for a 3-point play. Which he
Kinyahan backing down. Gimpayan. Oh boy, lays it up and in. Pass down low. Kinyahan is sprinting down the floor. JR stops on the dime and scores. Turo Akurva. Baseline drive. Kenny. Pingris. Wala. Gimpayan there for the stick back. And now he comes away with it. Talio. The pass to Meneses. Give and go. Meneses swoops in and scores.
usually makes those shots.
Lastimosa, libre for the free. By Carlo Lastimosa, 4-point lead for Binyan. Kiniahan with 28. 6 seconds left. Lastimosa banks it in. Desiderio, Martel, Kiniahan for free. Good! 5 seconds remaining. A steal. Martel to Desiderio. They have a chance. But Curva with a big stop. Wow!
Playing. Turned out to be a clap.
Prolong the game is committed lane violation, but he hits it.
Makes it.
Chanamon. And that's gonna do it. Boy, what a frenetic pace to